Hi, I'm Chris Kendall. I'm here to show you transfer printing. This is a process of using photocopies from a toner-based colour printer to produce prints. Now I need to start off by making registration for the first layer. So I lay my first print on, and then using masking tape I need to just mark where that is. So I go into each corner. Now I'm ready to apply the chemical, but I'll only dispense the amount I need to use for each layer. Okay, nice even coating. And here we go. Matching up to the registration, I smooth it out and apply more of the chemical on top. Now, where the paper is becoming wet, we see creases just starting to form. Now I'm going to use the roller just to go over these. Using quite a bit of pressure. Okay, that's just about ready to come off. Now the first layer will be very faint, but I'm going to build up certain layers in order to really get that image to pop. So I'm just going to use a cloth just to wipe off my excess chemical. And now just dry this layer very quickly. Now the print surface is touch dry, there are certain points in the picture that need white, because printers don't print white. So at this stage, I'm just going to add a little paint just where the eyes, the teeth, and the various light areas are. Now it's time for the next layer. So I repeat the process, adding more of the chemical. Once that's dried, I would sand around the edges, giving it a sort of a sharper border. And that's it, done. That's transfer printing by Chris Kendall.